Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best sensitive skin moisturizer is probably one of the most crucial steps in any skincare routine, especially if you have sensitive skin. Finding the perfect match can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack, with so many products promising the world. But fear not, because today, we're diving deep into the world of moisturizers designed specifically for sensitive skin, helping you navigate the options and find your holy grail product. Number 5. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer. This is the Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer from La Roche-Posay. It's a daily moisturizer designed for all skin types, providing immediate comfort and long-lasting hydration. It's also fragrance-free. The formula includes ceramides and niacinamide. These ingredients work together to repair the skin's natural barrier and provide essential hydration. You'll feel the difference immediately. Whether your skin is sensitive, dry, or oily, this moisturizer is designed to suit your needs. It's gentle enough for daily use and helps to maintain a healthy complexion. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue. The key ingredients, ceramides and niacinamide, are essential for skin health. They help to soothe and hydrate the skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. Using it regularly can improve your skin's overall appearance. This moisturizer is fragrance-free, making it ideal for those with sensitive skin. It's a simple, effective way to hydrate and protect your skin without any added irritants. Try it today and see the results. What we like. This moisturizer features ceramides and niacinamide, key ingredients for skin barrier repair and soothing. It provides long-lasting hydration, keeping your skin moisturized all day. If you have dry or easily irritated skin, this is a great choice to restore and maintain your skin's health. What people say. It's lightweight, it does not clog your pores, it's non-greasy, and keeps my skin feeling soft, moisturized and hydrated all day. The texture is lightweight but still very hydrating, and it leaves my skin soft and smooth without feeling greasy. It absorbs quickly, works great under makeup, and keeps my skin balanced throughout the day. Number 4. Vanicream Moisturizing Skin Cream with Pump. Are you looking for a moisturizer designed for sensitive skin? This product is the #1 dermatologist recommended brand. It is perfect for the entire family. This cream is formulated without common irritants. It is free of dyes, fragrances, and other potential irritants. It is also non-comedogenic, so it won't clog pores. Apply this moisturizer as often as needed. You can use it on your face, hands, feet, and body. It is ideal for those with sensitive skin. This product has been tested by dermatologists. It has also been awarded the seal of acceptance from the National Eczema Association. It's a great choice for your skin. Please note that there are no fragrances in this product. There might be a slightly different aroma to each batch. Also, the packaging may vary. What we like. This product is the #1 dermatologist recommended brand for sensitive skin. It's formulated without common irritants like dyes and fragrances. If you are looking for a simple, effective moisturizer that won't clog pores, this is a fantastic option for the whole family. What people say. This lotion is an excellent moisturizer, especially if you have sensitive skin or eczema. It goes on smoothly, absorbs quickly, and leaves skin feeling soft without being greasy. I've noticed it helps calm irritation and keeps my skin hydrated throughout the day. The first night I used Vanicream, I woke up the next day and my skin still felt soft and bouncy. Best protective cream ever. Very thick but not greasy. Skin reacts beautifully, healing dry skin and preventing it from occurring. Dermatologist recommended it for me. Have used for a year. Will continue use. Number 3. Vanicream Daily Facial Moisturizer. Introducing Vanicream Daily Facial Moisturizer. This product is designed for sensitive skin. It is a lightweight and hydrating moisturizer. Vanicream is the #1 dermatologist recommended brand for sensitive skin. This is according to the IQVIA Pro Voice survey, ending July 2024. You can trust this product for your skincare needs. This moisturizer includes 5 key ceramides, hyaluronic acid, squalane, and glycerin. These ingredients work together to hydrate and protect your skin. The formula is free of dyes, fragrance, masking fragrance, lanolin, parabens, and formaldehyde releasers. It is designed to be gentle and non-irritating. Apply this moisturizer as needed to your face, day or night. It is non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog your pores. Enjoy the benefits of healthy, hydrated skin. What we like. This daily moisturizer is lightweight and packed with ceramides and hyaluronic acid. It's also gluten-free, making it suitable for various sensitivities. If you like a gentle, hydrating formula that absorbs quickly, you should consider this one for daily use. What people say. It's lightweight, absorbs quickly, and actually keeps my skin hydrated without any stinging or redness. It layers well under sunscreen and makeup, making it a great everyday option. This moisturizer actually moisturizes very well. It does not feel gross or tacky on the skin after a couple of minutes, and it leaves no feeling of residue. Number 2. Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Oat Gel Moisturizer. This is the Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Oat Gel Moisturizer. It's designed to instantly soothe and replenish your skin's moisture barrier. The product is perfect for sensitive skin. Formulated with prebiotic oat, this moisturizer goes beyond soothing to strengthen your skin's natural defenses. It provides 24-hour moisture, leaving your skin comfortable all day. The lightweight formula absorbs quickly, thanks to the prebiotic oat and feverfew. These ingredients work together to calm irritated and dry skin. You'll feel the difference immediately. Ideal for sensitive and eczema-prone skin, this moisturizer is gentle and hypoallergenic. It's free of fragrances, parabens, alcohol, dyes, and phthalates, and it's non-comedogenic, so it won't clog pores. From a brand recommended by dermatologists for over 70 years, this moisturizer is gentle and effective. It's perfect for even the most sensitive skin, helping you feel your best. What we like. This moisturizer contains prebiotic oat and feverfew, known for their soothing properties. The fast-absorbing formula provides 24-hour moisture. If you have sensitive or eczema-prone skin and need instant relief, this is the one to try. What people say. Great hydration, lightweight, non-sticky, and does not irritate my skin. This Aveeno cream though works extremely well in softening my skin, reducing redness, and keeping it moisturized throughout the day. The texture is light and absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy residue, which is a huge plus. Number 1. Embryolisse La Crème Sensitive Moisturizer. Introducing a moisturizer designed specifically for sensitive skin. This cream is hypoallergenic and perfect for both your face and body. It's formulated to provide gentle yet effective hydration. This product is enriched with aloe vera and shea butter. These natural ingredients work together to soothe and nourish your skin. It leaves your skin feeling soft and refreshed. Worried about irritation? This moisturizer is fragrance-free, making it ideal for sensitive skin. It's designed to minimize any potential reactions, so you can use it with confidence. Whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin, this cream is suitable for all. It provides the perfect balance of hydration without feeling heavy. It absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue. This product comes in a convenient 3.38 fluid ounces size. It's perfect for daily use and will last you a while. It's a great addition to your skincare routine. What we like. This cream features aloe vera and shea butter, known for their soothing and moisturizing benefits. It's hypoallergenic and suitable for all skin types. If you like a versatile, fragrance-free cream that can be used on both your face and body, this is a great choice. What people say. The product is fragrance-free, which is great for sensitive skin. It effectively moisturizes the skin without causing irritation. The texture is lightweight and absorbs quickly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.